What if I told you that the fastest path to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube right now is not a long video? It is not a perfectly optimized SEO title. It is not even a viral thumbnail. It is something that takes 60 seconds or less to create. And YouTube is literally pushing it to millions of people every single day completely for free. YouTube Shorts. And before you roll your eyes and tell me you have tried Shorts and they did not work, stay with me, because there is a massive difference between posting Shorts and using Shorts strategically. And most creators never figure out that difference. They post a random vertical video, get a few hundred views, shrug, and go back to their long-form grind wondering why the subscribers are not coming. That is not a Shorts problem. That is a strategy problem. And today I am fixing it. Let me give you some context first, because understanding why Shorts works is what makes you use it correctly. YouTube Shorts gets over 70 billion views every single day. 70 billion. That is not a typo. Every single day, YouTube is serving Shorts content to an audience so massive, it is almost impossible to comprehend. And here's the critical part. A significant portion of that audience has never heard of your channel. They are not your subscribers. They are completely cold viewers who have never seen your face or your content before, and YouTube is showing them your Shorts for free. Think about what that means for a small channel. You do not need a big audience to get your Shorts seen. You do not need an established channel with thousands of subscribers for the algorithm to push your content. Shorts has its own separate discovery feed, the Shorts shelf. And YouTube fills it with content from channels of all sizes. A channel with 0 subscribers and a well-made short can reach thousands of viewers the same day it uploads. That is an opportunity that did not exist for small creators 5 years ago. And the creators who are understanding and exploiting it right now are growing to 1,000 subscribers in a fraction of the time it takes channels ignoring shorts entirely. Step 1. Understand what makes a short actually work. Before you post a single short, let me tell you exactly what separates a short that gets thousands of views from one that gets 47 and dies. The first 3 seconds. That is it. That is the entire game with Shorts. Unlike long-form videos where you have 30 seconds to hook someone, on Shorts you have 3, maybe 2, because the viewer's thumb is already moving to the next video before your short has even loaded properly. You have to stop that thumb in the first frame. The very first thing they see and hear has to create an immediate reason to keep watching. The best performing Shorts openings do one of 3 things. They make a bold statement that creates instant curiosity, something the viewer absolutely needs to know the end of. They show something visually unexpected or striking in the very first frame, something that does not look like every other short in the feed. Or they ask a question that the viewer cannot answer without watching the rest of the short. Study your own behavior on Shorts for 10 minutes. Notice exactly which shorts make your thumb stop. Notice what they do in the first 2 seconds. That is your research. That is your blueprint. Mirror that pattern in your own content. Step 2. Pick the right type of shorts for your niche. Not every type of short works equally well for every niche. So let me break down the formats that are consistently performing right now and how to match them to what your channel is about. If you are in the YouTube tips and creator growth niche, which is where this channel sits, the best performing short format is the rapid fire tip short. 1 tip, delivered fast, confidently with 0 padding, 30 to 45 seconds. Bold text on screen, reinforcing the key point, strong opening statement, quick payoff, done. These perform exceptionally well because creators are always hungry for quick actionable information they can use immediately. If you are running a faceless AI content channel, the best short format is a cinematic visual clip. 10 to 30 seconds of stunning AI-generated footage with a single compelling text overlay or voiceover line. No complex narrative. Just a beautiful visual moment with a caption that makes people feel something or think something. These rack up views because the visual quality stops the scroll immediately. If you are in the wellness, lifestyle, or faith niche, the best short format is the one truth. Short. 1 powerful sentence, 1 undeniable truth about your topic, delivered calmly, confidently, over a clean aesthetic background. These perform incredibly well because they feel quotable. Viewers save them, share them, and come back to the channel for more. If you are in the storytelling or entertainment niche, the best short format is the cliffhanger clip, a 10 to 20-second excerpt from a longer story that ends right before the resolution, with text at the end pointing viewers to the full video. This is one of the most powerful ways to use shorts not just for views, but for converting short viewers into long-form watchers. Pick the format that fits your niche. Master it, then repeat it consistently. Step 3. The Shorts upload schedule that builds momentum. Now, let me talk about how often to post shorts because this is where the growth acceleration really happens. For channels between 0 and 500 subscribers, the target is 1 short per day, every single day. I know that sounds like a lot, but here is why it is both achievable and necessary at this stage. Shorts are fast to create. A well-structured 60-second short should take you no more than 30 to 45 minutes to script, record or generate, caption, and upload. That is less than an hour per day to give your channel 67 additional discovery opportunities per month, 67 chances for the algorithm to put your content in front of someone who has never heard of you and turn them into a subscriber. And here is the compounding effect that most people miss. Shorts do not just die after the first day. They get recycled through the Shorts feed for weeks and sometimes months after upload. A short you posted 3 weeks ago can suddenly start getting pushed again if the algorithm decides to test it with a new audience. Every short you upload is a permanent discovery asset that keeps working for your channel, long after you have moved on to creating new content. 1 short per day for 30 days is 30 discovery assets working simultaneously. Some will get 100 views. Some will get 10,000. Some might go viral. But collectively, they are building a subscriber base faster than any other organic strategy available to small channels right now. Step 4. The text and caption strategy that converts viewers to subscribers. Getting views on shorts is one thing. Converting those views into subscribers is an entirely different skill. And this is where most creators leave enormous growth on the table. When someone watches your short all the way through, it means they liked it. It means they found value in it. It means they are potentially interested in more of what you create. But they will not automatically subscribe just because they watched. You have to give them a clear, compelling, specific reason to hit that button in the short itself. The best way to do this is to end every short with a direct subscriber hook. Not just subscribe for more. That is weak and everyone ignores it. Instead, end with something specific. Something like, I post tips like this every single day. Subscribe so you never miss one. Or, part 2 of this is already on my channel. Subscribe and go watch it right now. Or, if this helped you, there are 10 more strategies just like this on my channel. Subscribe and go get them. You are not asking them to subscribe as a courtesy. You are giving them a reason. A specific, tangible, valuable reason. Why subscribing benefits them directly. That shift in framing alone will significantly increase the percentage of short viewers who convert into subscribers. Also use your short description and pinned comment strategically. Pin a comment on every short that directs viewers to your most relevant long-form video or to your channel page. This gives engaged viewers an immediate next step and keeps them in your world after the short ends. Step 5. How to use shorts to feed your long-form growth simultaneously. Here is the advanced strategy that takes everything we just talked about to the next level. And this is the part that really accelerates your path to 1,000 subscribers. Use your shorts as trailers for your long-form content. Every time you upload a long-form video, create one short that teases the most compelling moment, the most surprising fact, or the most valuable tip from that video. Keep it to 30 seconds. End with a direct call to action. The full breakdown is on my channel. Go watch it now. This does 2 things simultaneously. It exposes your long-form content to the massive shorts audience who would never have found it otherwise. And it warms up cold short viewers, people who have never seen your channel before, by giving them a taste of your content quality before asking them to commit to a longer video. A short viewer who clicks through to watch your long-form video and stays for 10, 15, 20 minutes is worth significantly more to your channel metrics than a short viewer who just watches and scrolls. They are contributing to your watch hours. They are increasing your session time. They are telling the algorithm that your channel has depth and value beyond just 60-second clips. This 2-channel approach, shorts for discovery, long-form for depth and watch hours, is the complete growth strategy that small channels are using right now to hit 1,000 subscribers faster than channels relying on either format alone. Step 6. The shorts mistakes that are killing your growth. Let me quickly cover the mistakes I see small channels making with shorts constantly, so you can avoid every single one of them. Mistake 1. Horizontal videos uploaded as shorts. If your video is not vertical, 9:16 format, it does not belong in shorts. A horizontal video uploaded to shorts gets terrible distribution and makes your channel look unprofessional. Always shoot or generate shorts in 9:16. Mistake 2. Shorts that are too long. The sweet spot for shorts is between 30 and 60 seconds. Under 30 seconds often does not give enough value to earn a subscription. Over 60 seconds starts losing viewer retention rapidly. Stay in the 30 to 60 second window for maximum performance. Mistake 3. No text on screen. The majority of shorts are watched with the sound off. If your entire short relies on audio with no visual text reinforcement, you are invisible to the silent watchers. Always add bold, clean text on screen that communicates your key point even with the sound completely off. Mistake 4. Inconsistent posting. Posting 5 shorts one week and then nothing for 2 weeks is worse than posting one short consistently every single day. The algorithm rewards channels that show up every day in the shorts feed. Inconsistency signals unreliability, and the algorithm responds by pushing your content less. Mistake 5. No call to action. Every single short needs to end with a reason to subscribe. Without it, you are generating views for YouTube, but not subscribers for your channel. Views are vanity. Subscribers are growth. End every short with a subscriber hook every single time without exception. Your complete shorts growth strategy. Post one short every single day, between 0 and 500 subscribers. Use the format that matches your niche. Rapid-fire tips, cinematic visuals, one-truth statements, or cliffhanger clips. Hook in the first 3 seconds or lose them forever. End every short with a specific compelling subscriber hook. Use your description and pinned comment to direct viewers to your long-form content. Create one short per long-form video as a trailer to cross-pollinate your audiences. Stay in the 30 to 60 second sweet spot. Always use bold text on screen. Never miss a day. That is the complete short strategy. From 0 to 1,000 subscribers faster than any other organic method available to small channels right now. So that is everything. The complete YouTube Shorts strategy that is actually getting small channels to 1,000 subscribers fast in 2025. Not theory, not guesswork, a real step-by-step approach built around how the Shorts algorithm actually behaves and what actually converts viewers into subscribers. Now go implement it. Today, not tomorrow. Today, post your first strategic short using everything we just talked about and drop the link in the comments. I want to see what you create. And if you want to shortcut the entire journey, if you want to combine this short strategy with a promotion boost that gets you to 1,000 subscribers even faster, the email is in the description. Send it and let's get you there. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.